So the first thing I love about this film is how easy the liner comes off. This is a massive help when you have one installer trying to wrap a vehicle, maybe in a higher temperature. The fact that the liner comes off so easily means two things. One, it's just less work. You only need one person. Second thing is, as I'm removing it, it takes so little force that I'm not stretching the film. So if I'm trying to get one panel to line up with the next, you have no problem with registration because you haven't stretched the film yet. A lot of films, this is a big problem, especially in higher temperatures. So as I place this on the vehicle, I have absolute repositionability. I know I'm not on the hood. We have other guys and girls working on the front there. So just to show you here, it's completely slidable. It doesn't tack up. It's very easy to move it around. And what I'm going to do is actually come here and install this, just zone 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, do this application. I'm going to leave zone 1 alone. You can see, let it float. So it will easily float, hardly making any contact at all. Okay, so zone 2 now, really it only has the amount of work that you would normally put into a graphic on the side of a vehicle where you haven't had to stretch it. You don't need to post heat. That's what that feels like. But then zone 3, we're going to post heat it. So I'm bringing this up to something around 180 degrees Fahrenheit, but I'm also putting pressure on the film. That is super important to add pressure as well. So adding heat and then adding pressure. Okay, so what we've done here with post heating is we've taken this adhesive that's only making 25% contact before it's applied. Now it makes about 50% contact after it's applied. And now we're making about 99% contact when it's heated and squeegeed, because we're taking the adhesive and pushing it, moving it around a little bit so that it takes the shape of the paint. And let's have a look at the result. So zone 1, almost no contact, very easy to reposition. Zone 2, and hopefully you're able to hear the tack already building just with the weight of a squeegee. But now when we hit zone 3, and after, let's say, an hour or so, it would really wet out and harden and even get tackier. But here in zone 3, you can see that we are having to put a reasonable amount of force to remove it. And you can see the sides of the film are elongating. So you know we're putting a lot of force just to make that come off. And then if you can, I'm not sure you'll be able to catch this in the camera, with the camera because of the light, but between it being matte finished and then that area that we post heated, it's glossier. So you can already see the adhesive wetting out to take the shape of the paint on the vehicle. That's how you know you can go from almost no contact to almost ultimate bond in just 3 or 4 seconds.